So it's important that we become much more experiential than intellectual, with our search for the right truths in which to believe in. And again, this is what the Buddha was saying: by practicing your meditation, you're actually empowering the mind to become more truthful in the way it experiences the world. And instead of just experiencing the world in dullness, we have a bright mind which can see and perceive far more deeply than ordinarily. And with those deeper perceptions, what we call in Buddhism insight, we can really undermine some of these very ridiculous beliefs which people have. And those ridiculous beliefs are very important to undermine. Otherwise, we're going to destroy ourselves on this planet. It's the belief that, if you sort of kill for the love of God or the love of Buddha or whatever, you go to some heaven realm. And if you follow your internal sort of experiential feelings, that can't be right. But if you go to the books and the peers and you don't question, you have no honesty, people can believe that. It's the right thing to do, to go and kill for the sake of God. And it's a very dangerous belief. And if we could only start to get people to be still and see for themselves, rather than believing in the thinking process, then we may have a chance to undermine those dangerous beliefs and to reinstate the more important beliefs, the priority of beliefs which I said earlier. And so as Buddhists, I'm a Buddhist, it's the peace and the freedom and the harmony, the love, that I always put most important. And then they say, well, what type of Buddhist are you? Theravada, I'm supposed to be a Theravada monk, or the Mahayana, or Hinayana, or Vajrayana. We've got the Dalai Lama coming soon, in a few weeks' time, and he's supposed to be Vajrayana monk. I'm supposed to be Hinayana monk, or Theravada, and other monks are Mahayana monk. But you all know which Buddhism I follow. It's not Mahayana, it is Hahayana, that's right.